Welcome to MarineMax Brick, where exceptional service and top-tier boating experiences come together. As a vital member of our service team, you'll play a crucial role in ensuring every boat is adventure-ready. With our well-stocked parts department, we maintain boats in peak condition, so your impact is felt every day. We offer more than just a job. Here, your hard work is rewarded with performance-based compensation. The better you do, the more you earn. Enjoy career advancement opportunities, hands-on training, and exciting team-building events. Our tuition reimbursement program is designed to help you continue your education and advance your career. Comprehensive benefits include health, dental, and vision insurance, plus access to our employee stock purchase plan, team member discounts, and more. We're thrilled to have you join the MarineMax Brick family. Embark on your boating career with us today and experience a journey where your growth and success are our top priorities. Chart your career course with MarineMax Brick today, and we'll see you out on the water.